Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi, my name's Ben and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Audi A5 Sportback 2 litre 40 TFSI in the S-Line trim and with the S Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular A5 Sportback is finished in the Mythos black paint, which gives this car a real executive look. Coming to the front of the vehicle, we do have this car's matrix LED headlights, which do feature the front and rear dynamic indicators as well as the LED daytime running lights. These offer a really bright beam, really lighting up those road conditions. Coming round to the side of the vehicle, we do have the 19-inch 5-spoke Cavo design contrasting grey alloy wheels. These look really good on this vehicle and offer some real presence on the road. Just some more information on this particular A5 Sportback. It is a 2020 model and it's covered just over 800 miles. And the 40 TFSI engine does produce 204 PS. Coming down the side of the vehicle, we again can see those really nice alloy wheels which are in great condition. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, we do have the rear parking sensors which work really well with this car's rear view camera, which we'll take a look at later. Upon opening this car's rear tailgate, it does reveal the 465 litres of boot space. This being a Sportback, you do get a more hatchback design opening, which is really nice and easy for loading in items. This boot space is big enough for those suitcases when we can make it abroad again, as well as things like golf clubs, a pushchair and other family items. As you can see, the rear seats do all fold separately, creating a nice through load space for larger or longer items, while the rear scuff plate helps protect the rear of the vehicle when sliding those items in. Once you're done loading up this vehicle, a simple push of the button will automatically close the powered tailgate for you. Coming around to the side of the vehicle, we'll take another look at those alloy wheels just so we can get a look at every single one. And again, as you can see, these are in fantastic condition. Opening the driver's side door, you're greeted with this car's premium interior. The front seats are incredibly supportive and comfortable and are finished in the leather and Alcantara material. Taking a closer look, we can see the embossed S logos just below the head restraint. Helping the driver to find that perfect driving position are the manual controls, as well as the controls to the side for this seat's 4-way lumbar support. Again, this helps the driver find that real nice perfect driving position. From the driver's perspective, we can see this car's leather multifunction steering wheel, which does have the controls for the multimedia systems. The cruise control stalk, which really helps with those longer motorway journeys. And the paddle shifters giving the driver a sportier feel behind the wheel. This A5 does feature Audi's fantastic virtual cockpit display. This allows the driver to customise what is shown on the screen using the buttons that are located on the steering wheel. Moving over to this car's intuitive MMI display screen, we can select from options like the DAB radio, which does come with a great choice of radio stations. This car's satellite navigation system with multi-touch and gesture controls, allowing you to really easily navigate around this car's map system. We have mobile phone connectivity, which does come with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto feature. This is perfect for mirroring your phone's screen onto the display, using things like Spotify, your hands-free calls or your wireless text messages. We also have the Audi Drive Select system. This lets you choose between things like efficient, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual driving styles. Coming down to this car's climate control centre, the easy to use dials make it really nice and easy to change the temperature, the fan intensity, which explains the noise in the background, and the fan's direction, as well as these settings for the climate control. To either side, and not very useful on a day like today, we do have the controls for the heated front seats, And pushing that button there or putting the car into reverse will automatically activate the front and rear parking sensors, as well as the rear view camera. This gives great visibility and really helps give some confidence when parking this vehicle in those tricky parking spaces. Coming lower down, we do have a 12-volt power socket as well as a USB-A port. This is perfect for keeping those media devices nice and charged, especially when using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We have the engine stop-start button, 2 cup holders to the front, a nice little cubby hole which is perfect to put the keyless go keys. And this car's automatic gearbox, which does feature the electronic parking brake. To the left we also have the audio control dial. This does allow you to change volume and track in the vehicle without needing to take your eyes off the road. Underneath the armrest we do have the Audi phone box. This contains a wireless phone charger, signal booster, as well as a USB-C port. Again, this is perfect for keeping those media devices nice and charged, especially on those longer journeys. The rear of the vehicle is just as comfortable as the front and is finished in the same leather and Alcantara material. And in the back seats we can see the child ISOFIX points for easily installing a child car seat. The rear passengers also benefit from a nice armrest, which can easily be folded away. To the back we also have the controls for the third zone of the climate control system. This makes it really nice and easy for the back passengers to find their perfect temperature using the buttons as displayed here. Also located in the back is a 12-volt power socket as well as 2 USB-A ports. This is perfect for keeping those media devices, especially for the kids, nice and charged on those longer journeys, making sure they're nice and entertained. So thank you for coming on a tour of this approved used Audi A5 Sportback. If you would like any more information on this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give our team a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you.